Donald Trump still wants Greenland and is making bold new claims to justify takeover.
We need Greenland from the standpoint of national security, and Denmark is not going to be able to do it, I can tell you. You know what Denmark did recently to boost up security in Greenland? They added one more dome sled. It's true. They thought that was a great move.
Trump was responding to questions about his possible next moves following the recent US military attack on Venezuela. This is stirring fears in Greenland, a self-governing Danish territory in the North Atlantic. Denmark's prime minister said the threats were unacceptable and warned,
at hvis USA vælger at angribe et andet NATO-land militært, så hører alting op, altså inklusiv vores NATO og dermed den sikkerhed, som er blevet tilvejebragt siden afslutningen på 2. verdenskrig.
Critics say Trump's latest justification for taking Greenland is based on false information. First, Denmark's most recent contribution to Arctic security went far beyond a mere dog sled. The country has announced several $1 billion in land, sea and air defense capabilities in the Arctic, including $4.5 billion on 16 additional fighter jets, which it will purchase from the United States. This was in a bid to ease US security concerns. Secondly, the US does not only rely on the Danish military to defend Greenland from Russia and China. As Danish territory is protected by the NATO alliance, and the US has had a military base on Greenland for decades. Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen noted that a defense agreement already gives the US broad access to the territory, but Trump has made no indication of backing down. Since returning to the White House last year, he has repeatedly said Greenland needs to become part of the United States. The island's location between Europe and the US makes it a strategically important site and a potential hub for surveillance of Russian and Chinese shipping in the Arctic. Trump has not ruled out military action to bring it under US control.